When we're talking about leadership, the Quran gives a certain standard which an individual has to meet to be what we call a leader. Because the Quran is the divine revelation from Allah Azza wa Jal, it doesn't look at the outward appearance of an individual, how charismatic an individual is, the wealth an individual has. It looks at primarily two key factors. The first is the taqwa of the individual, and the second is the knowledge. Allah Azza wa Jal mentions throughout the Quran whenever He wants to show His favor or His blessings on somebody, He gives them knowledge. So the individual has to have a consciousness of Allah Azza wa Jal in their dealings with others. That person also is gifted with knowledge. I don't mean academic knowledge. What I mean by knowledge is, let's say, a social wisdom, that the individual is able to relate to the social circumstances which are seen within any given society and pass judgments accordingly based upon the teachings found in the Quran and the Sunnah of Allah Azza wa Jall's Messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.